Hello everyone, my name is Madhav and welcome to Gyanshala with Masti. Today we will be talking again about the cricket science and today we will talk about power hitting. So everybody loves power hitting and everybody is a fan of big sixes and you know that MS Dhoni and many other cricketers hit big sixes. So what is the science behind those big shots and how does it happen? So there are many factors like the middle part of the bat. If the ball hits the middle part of the bat, the ball gains maximum force. Now we will talk about another aspect of power hitting, which is the X factor. So now you might have heard this word many times in cricket commentary, but it's not that X factor. It's the science one X factor. So let us talk about it. So whenever batter bats, we will draw a line through his upper thorax, an imaginary line through his upper thorax and the pelvis part, which is the waist part of our body. So if we draw two imaginary lines slanting like this, so he will bat like this and his imaginary lines are going like this. So when he will move for taking a big shot like a six, these two lines will cross, creating an X. So that is why it is called the X factor. So in this X factor, many muscles expand first, which means that the power gets collected in the muscles to hit the ball. So then when the muscle contracts, when we are trying to hit a six, when the muscle contracts, the power transfers into the bat and to the ball, and the ball goes higher up and into the stands. So bigger the X, more the force. So because if the X is like this and if it's like this, so the bigger one will have more power because the expansion will be more, so the energy we will gain after contraction will be also more. So hope you understood that what is X factor in cricket. So please like and subscribe and please share this video also. Bye.